Want to see someone systematically disprove everything you have read about trading stocks and expose how and why you will consistently lose money if you aren't doing it right? Click the link in the description to check it out for yourself. But now for today's video.
The question, can I learn to trade stocks in school? Answer by Yogesh Singh. I am not sure whether any school provide course related to it, but you learn basics from MBA and finance. Alternatively, I would suggest best way to start is to jump in. How do I get started? 1. Open a stockbroker account. 2. Read books. 3. Read articles. 4. Find a mentor. 5. Study the grades. 6. Read and follow the market. There are seminars from many trading houses of trading firm. You can also attend them and learn. Good luck. Happy investing. Answer by Sam Bogner. We could use some further clarification to what exactly you're asking in your question, but if your school offers an economics class, that class would be a great first step to understanding the stock market. Anybody can trade stocks, but if you understand the beast known as the stock market, you can make much better trades and not lose as much money. If your school does not offer such classes, you could, if you have the money, go to a school for stock trading. If you do not have the money to pay for a school, you can buy books on economics, the stock market, big name stock market successes, and stock market history to educate yourself on how to be a success on the market. There is not much of a point in practicing until you know what you need to practice. You can learn from a simulator, but if you understand the workings of the market, you can learn much faster. Answer by Barney Packard. Depends on the school. I took general business in high school, learned how to write and balance checks. At Indiana University, I learned business law, economics, and accounting, did well, did a career path in transportation. After 8 years, I got a job at Merrill Lynch. The manager gave me a book, and a case of very big box of study materials. I realized I didn't know after a college education, the true difference between stocks and bonds. He put me in broker training. I showed up at and listened to Chuck Setti in the research call, got a couple mentors. The training was 2 years, and for the first 3 months the only client contact I had was answering the phone. I spent 6 weeks in New York, took classes in Detroit, Chicago, met with people who knew what they were doing. He gave me more privileges as I advanced. The manager held weekly meetings with us newbies. I was in the top 10% of my class. They started a class 10 months of the year, built an army of brokers. I'm doing $250,000 commission a year, about $100,000 to me. Then I got calls from all firms. I went to E.F. Hutton. He needed a stock guy. These people had passed many of the tests I had, but didn't have the training. I knew why Hutton wanted me. I had good training. To give a short answer, it depends on the school, but make it a good one. It takes time, practice, virtual portfolios, good support. It is possible, but difficult. Actually, in school, improbable. You have to study, do it, get a good broker. A Schwab trade, etc., teach you nothing, other than don't do that again. Stocks are a great way to make money, but it is in the holding. Basic research, need not be complicated. Where do you eat, shop, what car do you drive, who gives you electric? Who do you hate to fly on, love to fly on? That is basic research. Then you take it a step deeper, who is the competition, look up S&P reports, charts. Best bet a good broker who already went to school.